Hi, I'm Patricia and welcome to my creative space. Today we're going to create an elephant keychain. What I have here is a printout of a little elephant that I found online, and we're going to be using these stencil cutouts from FolkArt. They're really easy to use. We'll just put it over it, trace it, cut it out. Okay, now that he's all cut out, we can take and put him on the clay and cut out our elephant. Okay, I'm just checking for air bubbles here, making sure there is none. Let's cut it in half. Put my elephant on there for measurement. Cut my clay in half. And then place one half on top of the other. I'm going to smooth it out to make sure I have no air bubbles. And now I'll place my elephant on there, and then we can start cutting him out. Alright, there we go. He's all cut out. Now here I've got magenta pearl that I'm going to use for his ear. And I'm going to be using one of my fondant cutters to cut out a heart shape. And use that as his ear. And I've got this rolled out onto my thickest setting. Now I'm just going to refine the shape here. Make sure I don't have any jagged edges or anything. Then plop that on there. Now I'm going to get out my paint, my black paint that is, and I'm going to make his eye and his mouth. Okay, now he's all done and he is ready to go in the oven. And I have him mixed with Kato black So I'm going to pop him in the oven at 300 for about 45 minutes. Okay, and now he's out of the oven and he's cool to the touch. So give a good look at him here. Coming along pretty nice, pretty cute. Pop him off the tile here. And you can see I need to sand the back down. It's just a little shiny, so I need to sand that down. And yeah, he come out really, really cute. Now we are ready to sand the back. Okay, and here I've got all my sanding stuff, and all the links to everything will be in the description below. I'm starting out with 400 grit, and I will work my way up to 10,000. Just going through 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. That will be the grits I go through. Okay, now we are ready to seal it. Normally I wouldn't, but I have paint on there, and you can see the back is all done. It's all nice and smooth. I'm not covering the back. I'm just going to do the front because of the paint, and I'm using Tiny Pandora's SuperMatte Air Dry Sealer today. It's really nice, has a nice finish to it. I like that there's no bubbles or anything. Even when I shake it up, I haven't had any problem with air bubbles. So I really like it. It goes on nice and smooth, and it dries really quickly. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, now that it's all dry, I've got everything here that I need. I've got a little eyelet that I'm going to put in the top of him. And I've got my little jump ring and my big jump ring keychain rings here. First thing I'm going to do is take my little drill, and I'm going to drill a small hole in the top to get me started with my eyelet. So I'm going to turn it down on a low setting first, and then drill a small hole. So I'm just going to go in the top here, make my little hole, just a little. That's all we need to get started. So I'm going to take my eyelet, I'm going to push it into that hole a little bit, and I'm going to start screwing it in. So I'm pushing as I'm twisting, so it's biting into the clay as it goes down in there. There we go. I'm going to take my small jump ring here, and I'm going to force it open using my fingernail. I just kind of use whatever tools I have available around me. Okay, and that's on there. Now I need to put the big one on. there we have it. Got that one on now. And voila, we got a cute little elephant keychain here. Spin him around so you can get a good look at him. He's very cute. I love how he came out. Adorable. So, if this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I have a Facebook group, Trisha's Lovely Creations, and I hope to see you there. Thanks. Have a great day.